So the second most important thing is room eligibility, right? So every policy basically has a specific type of room eligibility that is available.
So if I have 5 lakhs,
Right.
and let's say my treatment is going to be 3 lakhs, but I cannot go and book a very good room because there is a limit to it.
Correct. So there are different kinds of limits that are available. One could be a limit which could be a financial limit. कि basically बोल रहे हैं कि आपने अगर 5 लाख का कवर लिया तो आप 5,000 तक का ही रूम ले सकते हो. You can take a 5,000 room. You cannot take anything above that. Then comes second type of policies where they would say that there is a private room eligibility, that the lowest form of private room that exists in that hospital, that you can take. So a private room ka definition is basically that there is a single bed, it has a private washroom, and it has a small attendant section, right, which basically is the private room, or AC hai, mostly private rooms have AC. So typically that's the condition. So the lowest cheapest private room is what an insurance company can cover. The third would be someone whose insurance company is saying that there is no limit, right? I am giving you a cover which is let's say 5 lakh rupees. आपको उसमें रूम कितने का लेना है, क्या लेना है, वो आप डिसाइड करो. There could be a small nuance that some insurance companies could come up with which says that no limit but except suite room.